If you've been charged with a crime in Clinton Township, your case will be heard at the 41B District Court. I handle a lot of drunk driving cases, retail fraud cases, careless driving, reckless driving, possession of marijuana cases. These are the most common charges I see out of this particular court. This particular court has 3 different judges. The prosecutor is also either the Clinton Township prosecutor, there's the Macomb County prosecutor, and a number of other township or city prosecutors. This is a court that's receptive to my clients being proactive from day one. All of my clients, no matter what their charges, are taking steps from day one to be proactive. The reason why is because if you're charged with a crime in Macomb County, the prosecutor, the judge, and the police department are judging you in this one moment in time. They're looking at the police reports, the videos, the audio, witness statements, and maybe statements by you, and they come to the same conclusion that this person's really guilty and this person's a criminal. Now what we do is we try to change that story from day one. The first thing we do is we gather all of that same evidence that the prosecutor and the judge are looking at, looking for different possible defenses for your case, defenses for a trial, or options to file a motion for dismissal of charges. What we're also doing is, with our proactive plan, is negotiating with the prosecutor and the judge. What we're trying to do is show that this is an isolated moment in time and you're willing to learn from it. If you're willing to learn from it and you're demonstrating real actions rather than just words, it's very possible to have your case reduced and or dismissed, avoiding jail time and potentially keeping a driver's license and other professional licenses that you may be concerned about. I work with a lot of doctors, a lot of nurses, attorneys, different professionals who have professional licenses, and they're worried if they're charged with a crime and they're convicted of that crime, well, what's going to be the result for their professional career? So what we're doing from day one is we're looking at those consequences and predicting where this case may end up and how it may impact that future. We're considering all of that because my clients are successful, they have a lot of responsibilities, and what we're trying to do is minimize any consequence from this particular case. So if you're charged with a crime in Clinton Township, and depending upon what that charge is, we're going to be proactive on day one. We're going to be taking classes, educational classes, entering treatment, being screened and assessed by a counselor, potentially doing community service, alcohol testing, drug testing. There's a number of different tools that I provide to my clients that allow them to make a real impact on their case from day one. So if you're charged with a crime in Clinton Township, I encourage you to contact me. Tell me what you're charged with. Tell me if you've been in trouble prior to this. I want to know more about you, about your family, about your career, about your goals in life, and how you would like your case to end up. What result are you looking for? We're going to set some goals, but most importantly, we're going to have a plan in place in order to reach those goals. So I encourage you to contact me, and I look forward to helping you with your case.